Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum. Today is a very big day for the Ethereum and Ethereum holders as the price action is breaking out this very strong resistance on long-term weekly chart, and that was the Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that after a long time period, after more than 2 years, now finally the price action is breaking out this resistance, so it can turn more bullish for the long term. So we will talk about this move of Ethereum in today's video, and let me tell you, for the people especially who are not following my videos on Ethereum, they can also visit the cointelegraph.com.au, and here you will find all my videos on Ethereum. So it will be really very easy for you guys to follow my all analysis and charts that I have published so far in the form of videos on Ethereum. And first of all, let me give you some recap. Even though I have published so many charts and the videos on Ethereum, but I'm starting from 13th of March when I posted this idea on Ethereum, when the price action of Ethereum completed the final leg of the bearish, this is the bullish garland pattern, and it was entered in this potential reversal zone. And as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish garland pattern, I just predicted that the price action should move up from here between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And now I'm playing this chart. At that time, the price was at $131. And now you can see that it has produced more than $140% profit rally so far. And after that, I also posted this idea where I predicted that the price action has hit at this support level of this descending triangle. And at that time, I received so many comments and messages from the people who were saying that you are doing wrong, that you are going bullish on Ethereum, but the market is moving down. All the markets were moving down at that time in the month of March, and I predicted that the price action will move up, even it can also break out this resistance of this descending triangle. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that finally the price action has broken out this very big descending triangle that was formed on the weekly chart. And after that, I posted another idea where I just predicted that the price action will also break out this bearish cloud, the Ichimoku bearish cloud, that was not broken out since after July 2018. That was more than 2 years, and I predicted, I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that finally the price action is at this time breaking out this cloud. Therefore, I don't say that I predicted and the price action followed my predictions. I always show you how I predict and how the price action followed my predictions. In fact, these are not the predictions, these are the calculations. Whatever the price analysis, the chart analysis says, and the calculations according to the charts says, I just present before you accordingly. Now let's move to the live chart, and first of all, I want to show you this descending triangle, and at this time the price action is breaking out this descending triangle. I'm not saying that broken out, because so far we don't have a single closing by the candlesticks above this resistance of the descending triangle. Once this candlestick will be completely closed above this descending triangle, then we can declare or confirm that the descending triangle, the resistance of the descending triangle has been broken out. And I've also placed the MACD indicator and the stochastic and this momentum indicator as well. And previously we have seen that the MACD was turning bearish, and we also received the stochastic bear cross, that was the bearish signal, but the momentum indicator was ignoring the signals, the bearish signals or sell signals of these two indicators. Therefore, in my previous video, I shared with you that if the momentum is ignoring these two signals, the bearish signals by these two indicators, then we can wait for the squeeze momentum to turn bearish with these both indicators. But eventually, these both indicators followed the bullish signals of the momentum indicator, and finally, you can see now this stochastic indicator has again given the bull cross. This blue line has crossed up this red line. For the people who don't know, I would like to tell them, whenever this bullish line, the blue line, crosses up this bearish line or red line in the stochastic indicator, then it is a bullish signal, and at that time the price can go up. For example, let me to give you an example from here. We have received a bull cross, and at that time the price action turned bullish, and you can see that so far it has turned more than 140%. It has started the more than 140% bullish rally. And now if we watch on the daily chart, the price action was moving in this up channel. I have placed this moon phases indicator, as in my so many videos, previous videos, I've been telling you that this is really very useful indicator to predict whether the price line will break out or break down the support or resistance of the pattern. For example, here we can see that this is the new full moon, appeared at a very high altitude, and it was very at high distance from this resistance of this channel. And that was a very clear indication that the price action can move up to this level, and we have seen that now the price action is moved even beyond this level. And this new dark moon, that is a bearish moon, that was appeared at the higher level from the previous moon, and that was another bullish indication. Therefore, we can see that at this time, even on the daily chart, the price action is breaking out this resistance of this channel. And if we watch on this weekly chart, the price action is breaking out the resistance of this descending triangle. And I have also placed these three indicators here, the momentum, stochastic, and MACD indicators, as I place these indicators here on the weekly chart. And now you can see that when the price action hit at this level, at this support, even though we have seen that for some time the price action broken down this support of this up channel, but at that time we can see that the MACD was turning bullish. It was, you can see that here it was dark red and now it is light red, so it was giving signals that it is turning bullish. And we also received the bull cross by the stochastic. This blue line crossed up this red line, so this was the bullish indication. And after that we also received here the bullish indication by the momentum as well. You can see that it was turned in dark green color, so we received complete bullish signals from all these three indicators. So it was confirmed that the price action will make another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel, and finally we can see that the price action has broken out this channel. And if we watch the different support and resistance level on this 4-day chart, then we can easily see that after hitting at this lowest resistance level at $115, first the price action broke out the next resistance of $150, and after that it was at the resistance of $225. Here it struggled for some time and broke out this resistance, and retested the previous resistance as support. That is really very healthy movement by the price action. And after that it moved up and broke out the $280 resistance, and now finally it is hitting at the $310 up to $325 resistance block. This is really very powerful, strong resistance block. You can see that the price action has been struggling at this resistance block at this level and also here. And at this time again, the price action is trying to break out this resistance block that starts from $310 and ends up to $325. And after that we have another resistance at $350. It is also very powerful resistance. You can see that the price action has been struggling here and also here, and also here, and has been facing this resistance so many times. So at this time, this is also really very significant resistance block for the price line. Once it will be broken out, then it will be easy for the price line to break out the next resistance at $350. And now if we watch the different simple moving averages on this daily chart, then the price action has formed a complete opened alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. We have the smallest time simple moving average with the time period of 25 above all, Then we have the 50, then we have 100, then we have 200 simple moving average. When we have the smallest time period moving average above all, then the bigger one, and the bigger one, and the biggest one below all. So it is called a complete opened alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. We can also use the Bill-Williams alligator indicator as well. But in my point of view, that is my personal point of view, and you can also feel when you will start using this combination of simple moving averages, this is more strong signal as compared to the Bill-Williams alligator indicator, because in Bill-Williams alligator indicator you have three small time period simple moving averages with the time period of 5, 10, 5, 8, and 13. So those time period moving averages are that is a really very small time period moving average. Therefore, that can give you sometimes false signals. But these are some bigger time period moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, and they can give you more firm signals. Therefore, I normally use these moving averages rather to use the Bill-Williams alligator indicator. Sometimes I also use the Bill-Williams alligator indicator, but whenever I use that indicator, I use with the combination of some other indicators and with the combination of these simple moving averages as well. Now let's move to this Ichimoku bearish cloud. This is the breakout, very powerful breakout that the candlestick is doing at this time. You can see that the price action is breaking out this resistance of bearish cloud. I am not saying that this cloud has been broken out, because we don't have even a single candlestick on this weekly long-term chart that has been closed above this Ichimoku cloud. Once the candlestick will be closed above this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then we can expect that it can start a bearish rally, a correction rally, because whenever the price action breaks any strong resistance level, it always starts a correction rally after that. More than 80% chances that it will start a correction rally, and it can retest the previous previous resistance as a support. And here you can see that the cloud is turned bullish, and it is moving up. For example, here we have seen such situation when we had the lagging span crossed up the price action and the cloud as well, and the price action also crossed up the Ichimoku cloud. We received the conversion line and the baseline bull cross just below this price action. This is the conversion line, the blue one, and this red one or brown one is the baseline. Whenever this conversion line crosses up this baseline or bearish line, it is called a bull cross, and it is a strong bullish signal. And whenever this baseline, the bearish line, crosses up this conversion line, that is a bullish line, then it is a bearish signal. And after that, the price action can move down. And we also received this kind of bull cross here just below the price action. We have received this bull cross that the conversion line has crossed up this baseline, and you can see that this lagging span has crossed up the candlesticks and also crossed up this cloud as well, and the price action is finally above this cloud. So once we will have a complete closing of the candlesticks, then we have all bullish signals, strong bullish signals received by this Ichimoku cloud, and after that it can work as a very strong support level for the price line, as it has been working as a strong resistance for the price line for more than 2 years. You can see that when the price line was moving above this cloud, then for the long term it was working as a strong support. But once it was broken down, then it was working as a strong resistance for the price line for more than 2 years. Whenever the price action tried to break out this cloud, it was failed. Even we had another powerful attempt in the month of Feb 2020, and the price action moved back down, and finally we have received this breakout signal by the candlestick. So we can expect that it will be closed above this cloud, and for the long term we will see a very long-term bullish rally now. So this is a really very good and significant news for the people who are trading Ethereum and holding the Ethereum for the long time period. So congratulations to those people because this will be a starting of new era of a very powerful bullish rally for the long term. So this was the update so far by the price action of Ethereum. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share your comments and your opinions, your questions, your suggestions in the comment section with me. Take care. Goodbye.